Bye, girl. Mm-mm. Jada, come inside.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Where is Brittany. Today's video is going to be a little different because I will be narrating it with my voice and of course some bomb music to set the vibe. I was in the airport and on a plane for 25 plus hours and there was way too much back noise for my liking. So sit back and relax, we have a long flight ahead of us. So check it, I'm flying first class to Guam, friends, and although I had amazing seats, this flight wouldn't have been relaxing without the sponsor of today's video, Manta Sleep, but more on that later. First stop was Chicago's airport, and because I had an international first class flight, I was granted access to the United Club. My layover was only an hour, but I figured I might as well check it out and get my money's worth. I refilled my water bottle, grabbed some fruit, a sausage link, and a bagel, and hung out there until it was time for me to board. Alrighty friends, welcome to my little cubby in the sky. When boarding, they gave me a little sanitizing cloth, so I instantly started rapping "Wipe Me Down" by Lil Boosie and got to work. Now at proper elevation, I was able to play with the buttons to recline this baby all the way back. I've never experienced flying first class, so this was super exciting for me. Now y'all know I love to show y'all a little bathroom situation, so here you go. Full-length mirror and all. Headphones that connected to the monitor was included, so I decided to take it all the way back and watch Love and Basketball to go with my breakfast. But that excitement was short-lived because the movie kept skipping, so I decided to put back on my headphones and listen to music from my phone. For breakfast, I got the kale quiche with sausage, fruit, yogurt, and a croissant. I really liked the outer layer, flaky part of the quiche, but the middle had too much filling for me. But overall, it was a nice breakfast, and my drink of choice the entire trip was water and cranberry juice. No liquor for me, even though it was included. After breakfast, the itis snuck up on me and it was time to lay it down. My little cubby came with the blanket and pillow from Saks Fifth Avenue, so that was one less thing I had to worry about bringing with me. After leaning back, as instructed by Fat Joe, it was time to elevate the sleep experience with my Manta Sleep mask sound. As you all know, my world revolves around music. I wake up with a song in my head, I work with music in the background, and I also have the best sleep when I have James Ingram, Anita Baker, and Freddie Jackson in my ear singing about love. So having the combination of a blackout mask that allows music to play in my ear comfortably while I sleep is a game changer. Manta Sleep mask sound gives you complete control over the two senses that have the biggest impact on your sleep, sight and sound. The removable C-shaped eye cups ensure zero eye pressure and a perfect blackout seal without bulk. And if you're feeling fancy, you can upgrade to the cooling or steam eye cups to help with sinuses or get relief from tired eyes. Fully charged, the sound mask can last 20 plus hours, and with the razor-thin Bluetooth headphones, they're perfect for the side sleep comfort. Each speaker is about as thin as a yoga mat, so you can't feel them at all, even when you're on your side. It has ventilated soft mesh straps, and Manta Sleep mask sound is easily washable thanks to its unique 2-layer strap design. Now that you know about my Manta Sleep mask sound, it's time to lay it down. I still have about 5 hours left before I land in Honolulu, and if you're interested in checking out the different blackout sleep masks Manta Sleep has to offer, make sure you check the video description below for the link, and don't forget to use code WhereisBrittany for 10% off of your order. After my nap, I was woken up by one of the nice flight attendants because it was time for lunch. But if you look at the screen, it was around 11 p.m. Eastern time, and the jet lag was starting to set in hardcore. I was able to finish Love and Basketball with my yummy lunch, which was an Asian noodle salad, Biscoff tart, mozzarella cheese slices with red pepper topping, and my go-to cranberry juice. And in my opinion, this was the best meal, hands down. Welcome to Honolulu, friends. I've never been to Hawaii, so it was nice being able to look out the window and catch a quick view. It reminds me of the Bay Area on a super foggy day. It was just so pretty. And after making a few laps to stretch my legs, I made my way to the United Club to see what's poppin'. It was super cute inside, and they had a nice assortment of food, even jackfruit sliders. I wasn't hungry though, so I didn't get anything to eat, but I did fill my water bottle with fancy orange sliced water. And now, we are on our last flight, friends, Honolulu to Guam. Once at proper elevation, they hooked me up with these nuts and my drink of choice as I waited for dinner. I decided to watch Waiting to Exhale, another classic, and got the chicken katsu option, and it was just okay. But y'all, watching that movie with my adult eyes was a totally different experience for me watching it in the 90s. But that itis kicked in, and it was time for me to go night-night with 5 hours remaining on this flight. We have finally arrived. Half a day. Welcome to Guam, my friends.